which enumerates 1412 to 2018. Have a copy. Which enumerates, my lord, that the duty has been casted, my lord, upon the managing committee of the school. My lord, kindly turn to page 8 of the memo. They will also ensure that one of the members countersigns the monthly statement bill to be submitted to the BDO for payment. So the state government role is only to monitor, for not to engage the self-help group.
How are you monitoring if there is a rivalry between two self-help groups? What will the school do?
It is absolutely, I am submitting on instruction. It is the absolutely prerogative of the management of the school, managing committee of the school, to decide over it. So, the government has no role to play.
What are you supervising?
Supervising whether the meal is actual or not. It is also enumerates the power and duties of the BDOs, district magistrates, and everybody
Yes.
involved in the scheme.
And if there is a fight,
my lord,
then none of the children will get food.
the school authority has the self prerogative. Managing committee of the school has self discretion to decide the issue. Government cannot take any participation into it, or they don't have any role to play in it. So for all these students are getting benefit of the same, it is only look out of them. But if the two persons are quarreling between them, so government has no role to play.
Government has a role.
No,
May I just show to your lordship?
As per the said notification.
No, this is a scheme. I have gone through this scheme. There is another scheme also I have gone through.
Show.
Yes, my lord, this scheme, there is nothing which speaks of this. This is just a general guideline which says.
Please show what is the scheme that
No, I'm showing the documents, my lord. My lord, kindly come to page 32 for once. First, my lord, page 27. As my learned friend has rightly stated that it is for the school to engage.
Yes.
Kindly see page 27. That the school certifies that I was engaged since 2008 and I cooked meal up to September 2023, but subsequently other groups came and put padlock and cooking was disrupted. Now, my lord, kindly come to the next page. It is the order of 2nd of June 2009, where the DM writes, in continuation of our memo number such noted above, this is to inform you that the cooking of midday meal has not yet started in many schools under your block. In order to run the midday meal immediately, we have no other option but to start the midday meal immediately with the existing SHGs, that is self-help groups, who are already engaged for the purpose. You are now requested to start the midday meal within 3 days with the help of existing self-help groups and submit a report to the undersigned. So we were existing since 2008. This is 2009. Since we were existing, we are continued. Now, my lord, kindly come to page number 31, where the BDO Suomoto introduced one rotation system. Kindly see, my lord. It says there is no official notification. That was just a paper that says that you have to monitoring committee পুরনো দলের সহিত নতুন দলগুলিকে রন্ধনের অনুমতি প্রদান করা হইবে, which created the problem. Previously it was not there, which created the problem. Now, my lord, this letter was withdrawn. Kindly take page 32, the next page. The BDO himself withdraws this letter on 26th of November 2015, has notified that the previous order issued with this office memo number such and such regarding an arrangement of cooled midday meal in education institution is hereby withdrawn and any action taken with reference to the above said order is declared null and void. Midday program in education institution should have been in operation as usual as per existing government guideline. All concerns are accordingly. Now, my lord, kindly these
Is
two,
the school a party?
yes, my lord, these two notifications has been considered by my lord Justice Chakraborty and passed the order. My lord, kindly
It
see
has
the
been
order I
withdrawn,
have.
my lord, since he has no authority. my lord.
No. That is why it has been considered. My lord, this kindly take the stand of the state in Justice Chakraborty's order. It has been recorded.
Serve the school once.
Very well.
Please
Sir, may I just place once? May I just place once?
The
It has been considered already.
matter relates to
Your lordship's order is there.
engagement of self-help group for running the midday meal scheme in a school. Stop. The representation of the school will be required for the purpose of effective adjudication of the instant list. Stop. Let notice be served upon the respondent number 5. Indicating that the matter will appear in the list on 7th January 2026. Stop. Let a copy of the notice be also served upon the officer in charge, Jhalda Police Station, for onward transmission to the school, communicating the order of the court.
Yes.
Stop. In the event the school is not represented, then ex parte order will be passed.
There is only one difficulty. I don't know
Take this back.
whether the present school is in aligning with the present cooks self-help groups. That I do not know. I'm only.
You give notice.
I will. I'm only restricted to the notifications and your lordship's order, which has already
Next.
been passed.
Deeply
Okay,
obliged.
put your lordship. Obliged to your lordship.
Item 10, your lordship, I am appearing for secondary board. My lord, I am praying for an accommodation of this day because my lord, I have the brief I have left back, your lordship. Your lordship directed to file a report, my lord. The report is ready, but somehow the brief has not come in. My lord, petitioner was here. No, my lord, petitioner was here.
In this matter, Mr. Sudip Tamanda
Yes,
appearing
he
for the
was here.
petitioner.
Where is he?
He is in code number 42, my lord.
My lord, he was here.
Going to make submission.
My lord, I am praying for Passover, my lord.
Passover.
My lord, kindly make it not today.
Not today.
Lordship.
I appear for the petitioner, my lord. On last occasion, your lordship passes an order, my lord, directing the respondent to file a report, my lord. The matter relates to my lord house rent allowances, and they rejected my prayer, my lord. Kindly see page 27. They have rejected my prayer on the basis of a memo. The impugned order is at page 27.
Yes.
They have rejected my prayer on the basis of a memo, my lord. I have annexed. My lord, next page, page 28.
Geo 955.
My lord. My lord, the GO is absolutely, my lord, saying in favor of petitioner, my lord. There is no any words, my lord, against me. And that is why, my lord, your lordship directed them to file a report, my lord.
Yes, please report.
Yes.
My lord, I have
My lord, I have taken instruction from commissioner as well as DI because in the earlier order, my lord had directed because the department is the appropriate authority, commissioner to be, my lord, consulted for making the clarification. But in the order, my lord, DI itself is itself there, my lord, but commissioner has been directed. My lord, I have taken instruction from commissioner as well as DI.
Give a copy to her.
Yes,
so
I
that
have
she
I'm given.
gets to know.
my lord, my lord, again, my lord, they have rejected my prayer on the same, on the basis of same memo, my lord.
But has any
And-
ground been disclosed?
The same
Yes.
thing, my lord.
What is the ground?
5, clause 5.
That's fine.
Cross 5, page 29.
Clause 5.
Yes, my lord.
The director of school education with his view forward the same to the school education department.
No, my lord, clause 5.
of my petition, writ petition,
Petition, that is page 29.
page 20.
Page 29 of the GO has been annexed is page 28, and relevant page is page 29, clause 5.
Read out.
Then the Director of School Education West Bengal, with his views forward to the same to the School Education Department, Government of West Bengal for consideration of issuance of order in respect of full HRA. Drawal of such full HRA shall be effected from the first day for the next month after issue of this memorandum in this respect of the incumbent.
What does this mean?
This memorandum is there. What the memorandum purports, that memorandum is an order favoring HRA in favor of the petitioner. Memorandum that they are trying to interpret, and as they have decided in the year 2024, and by that time, my lord, the entitlement 2070-2090, the entitlement is there, but they have actually decided 2024. And if by this, my lord, clause 5 will be, my lord, taken note of, then it will be, my lord, from the next date, as they are decided in the 2024, then that will be in the next month. That's why they have taken the point that the area HRA is not, my lord, acceptable by this within this purview of this memorandum. But I don't think that this is sustainable, because claim has been contemporaneously raised by the petitioner. If they are deciding in 2024, my lord, what can be?
It is their fault.
I'm very clear.
Yes, please come. The petitioner's claim for grant of full house rent allowance has been rejected by the authority. Stop. Authority relying upon memo number 955, page 28. এটা লিখে নেবেন তো? ও, এটা লেখাই আছে।
Notification.
এটা লেখাই আছে। Stop. It appears that the petitioner raised her claim for house rent allowance on regular basis as and when the same fell due, but the authority, for reasons best known, kept the claim of the petitioner pending. Stop. The spouse of the petitioner is not employed with the state government. Stop. The judgment passed by this honorable court in the matter of, give me that Moushami Bishwash petition. আচ্ছা, আপনি লিখে নিন। Court on such and such date in such and such, in the matter of such and such, categorically held that the teachers of the non-government schools / sponsored schools / aided schools will receive HRA if their spouse works with some other organization but not the state government. Stop. Next. In view of the above, the rejection of the petitioner's prayer for grant of full HRA cannot be held to be a valid one. Stop. The same stands dismissed. Stop. The District Inspector of Schools, which place?
That is Barakpur.
Secondary Education, Barakpur, North 24 Parganas, is directed to process the request of the petitioner for claim of the petitioner for grant of full house rent allowance, and ensure that the same is paid to the petitioner positively by 31st March 2026. Stop. As the petitioner would be paid her legitimate due at a delayed point of time, comma, accordingly, she will be paid interest on account of such delayed payment at the rate of 5% per annum on the due amount calculated on and from the due date till the date of actual payment. The impugned order of rejection dated
25th January
25th January 2024 is set aside. The writ petition stands disposed of. Instructions, due to instruction আছে, be written with the records.
মৌসুমী WK 1389 মৌসুমী এটা লিখে নিন।
I'm grateful.
Before my line of defense starts, my lord, there is an impediment on my part. My lord, today morning I have been interested with this matter. My lord, I have not looked into the brief even, my lord.
DI was supposed to file a report
My lord, I have
as to whether the petitioner's application dated such and such will fall within the 10% of the teacher's strength.
only seeking for 2 days accommodation, my lord. Only
Four times, my lord, the order was passed to file.
my lord, the
Sir, what
Aswell advocates perhaps not in the panel. my lord.
What I am praying for, my lord, I have last occasion I have handed over a, my lord, the staff pattern. Headmaster also signed in 2025. Your lordship it will find, my lord, the petitioner is a geography teacher. There are other 4 geography teachers, so single teachers is not a bar. Now the petitioner's application was rejected 10%. That is 2021. 2025, my lord, there are 45 teachers. None of the teachers applied for transfer. My lord, your lordship allow me to submit a fresh application. If anybody have not applied, my lord, for transfer in 2025 or within 10% of the teachers, your lordship direct the school authority to
Is
forward
that-
my application.
The petitioner seeks transfer. Stop. Her earlier application seeking transfer stood rejected in the year 2021 on the ground that her application did not fall within the 10% of the teacher's strength eligible for transfer. Paragraph. It appears that it appears now. According to the petitioner, there is scope for consideration of the petitioner's application seeking transfer as, according to the petitioner, comma, none of the teachers have applied for transfer recently. Stop. Prayer has been made to permit the petitioner to file fresh application seeking transfer so that the same may be considered by the school authority. Stop paragraph. In view of the above, the instant writ petition stands disposed of with the observation that it will be open for the petitioner to seek transfer by making application in a prescribed format. In the event such an application is made, comma, the same shall be considered by the school authority in accordance with the prevailing guidelines and rules. Stop. If the prayer of the petitioner for transfer is allowed by the head of the institution, comma, then steps shall be taken to forward the same to the concerned district inspector of schools for taking necessary consequential steps.
You also kindly observe that if it is not within the 10%
The
or single teachers, my lord, then forward.
school shall take steps in the matter within a period of 8 weeks from the date of receipt of the application from the petitioner. And if allowed, comma, forward the same to the district inspector of schools within a further period of 8 weeks thereafter.
No, my lord, you also kindly observe that if it is not.
Yes.
My application, my lord.
I am for the commission.
My lord, kindly come to the page 15, my lord, straight away. My lord, actually, I was recommended as an assistant teacher My lord, thereafter, next page, page 16. My lord, school authority has given me the appointment letter and to instruct me within 30 days we will join. My lord, thereafter, one reminder, 15th January 2025, that was also issued by the
What
school
is the
authority.
issue pending before the division bench?
Alright.
Submission was?
Yes. Right.
Shukumar Singha?
Sukumar Singh, Sukumar Singh.
Yes.
Yes.
My lord, kindly come to the page 4 of the that judgment, my lord.
Dismiss করে বা অনেকগুলো clarification দিয়ে চলে গেছে। The extension of recommendation চলছে।
এটা কি হচ্ছে? Attendant.
Do you fall in the same category?
No, my lord. Actual, this is for appearance of the counseling.
Yes.
Actual, I was recommended,
Recommend.
appointment letter was issued.
So it's
Only-
different.
My lord, actual, this is not the same matter, my lord. Actual, considering the situation and present situation of the school, my lord, actual school service commission may be considered. If your lordship kindly direct, I have communicated the representation. If consider
Cancel করলো কদিন
section
সেটা
60, actual
cancel করলো।
3 months.
Listen, your recommendation expired 1 year back.
My lord, kindly see the page number 6.
1 minute. What is the stand of the commission?
My lord, firstly, what needs to be checked is whether the candidate was a tainted candidate or not.
You have not checked.
No, I have not, but the prayer is literally an admission of the fact. Kindly see the prayer at page 8. It is continuing on page 9.
Yes.
He says that,
Innocent
Cons-
victim of systemic corruption.
yes,
Is your name there in the tainted list?
No.
Sure.
Yes, my lord.
and kindly see paragraph B also.
My lord, actual, I was joined in the lab assistant earlier proceedings. My lord, that was gone.
Yes, that
That
is
was-
what I,
That was gone, my lord, by the virtue of the Honorable Supreme.
2016 recruitment process.
My lord, yes. Thereafter, my lord, I have already been appeared in that time. SLST 16 has come, and I have appeared on that proceedings. On that SLST 16,
In the 16 recruitment process,
yes, my lord.
does your name
Yes.
feature in the list of tainted candidates?
No, ma'am. No.
Check up.
My lord, yes.
If his name is there, from
Then
here and
yes.
out.
Yes.
yes.
And if his name is not there, does the vacancy still remain?
No, that I will have to check because
You have to
possibly
check.
there will not be any vacancy also. And that apart, I will be opposing. So even if there is a vacancy, I will be opposing. He will
Yes.
not, he cannot be entertained at this stage. Our panel has expired in the meantime. And he,
Expired means expired long back.
No,
In the meantime,
After primary 25 September.
25th September 2025 it expired. He was called in the first phase of counseling. He apparently has not joined.
first phase of counseling when?
Yes, that was
15, my lord, 2024, 19/11/2024, page 15, my lord.
yes.
See, the Supreme Court passed order in March 2025.
Yes. That is why after losing their jobs, now they are all trying to come into the upper primary selection process, which at that point of time they thought was not necessary. They did not visualize that maybe the entire selection process will be set aside. Though the division bench had already set the entire selection process aside, but they were hoping Supreme Court will give them something.
19th
But that order did not.
I'm just trying to understand. That means this candidate never joined in terms of the 2016 recruitment process. He did join.
No, he joined and lost his job. When
That is in 2024-25 when
yes,
the order
that
is
was the
passed.
2016 selection process.
Yes.
It ultimately, the entire process got set aside by the
Right, then
judgment
where
on
he-
3rd April 2025.
Where does he want to be repatriated?
Now he wants to, he had also applied for upper primary.
All right.
He was there as a group D, lab attendant group D. Now that
So
he
he
has
wants
lost
to
his
go
job
back there.
there and he did not
Pursue
think
with
it-
his claim
Yes.
here.
In a similar matter, my lord has already dismissed one matter with regard to teachers. He is a group D. Let us come back on the next date with the instruction and I'll also bring that order.
Please come.
My lord, we are representing.
The order dated 25th of November 2025 passed by the Honorable Division Bench in Mat 1477 of 25 with IA Can 1 of 2025. West Bengal Central School Service Commission and another versus Shukumar Singho and others has been placed before this court. Stuff. Learned counsel representing the commission seeks time to revert with instruction as to whether the petitioner falls in the list of the tainted candidates published by the commission. Stuff. Instruction shall also be obtained as to whether there is any vacancy where the petitioner as to whether the vacancy in the school where the petitioner was recommended still exists or not. Stop. Information shall also be taken as to whether there are any other vacancies for accommodating the petitioner. In the event his prayer in the writ petition is allowed. Stop. Relist when 15th.
My lord will kindly record our submission that this Shukumar Singh does not apply in the case of the petitioner and that in any event we are opposing his prayer for. Because my lord has
Opposing.
given quite a positive order which
No, in
might
the
be
event,
read.
in the event his prayer is allowed. You never know. His prayer may be allowed, may not be allowed.
No, but the instructions, vacancies, other schools.
Let's see. Let's
Very-
see. Because in respect of absentee candidate, the division bench is allowed.
Yes.
They
Yes,
were absent.
under certain conditions which my
Right.
learned friend will not
May
be
not.
able to fulfill.
May not.
I will.
At the first blush, it seems
Yes.
that it is not covering his case. Still, we'll see. I'm grateful, Your Lord.
Time for the petition.
I'm appearing for the commission, my lord.
My lord, issue, my lord, last occasion, seek short for a time, whether petitioner's case is age relaxation should be allowed or not. My lord, petitioner age relaxation should allowed or not. Commission short for a time. Instruction, my lord, senior advocate, Mr. Kalyan Bandyopadhyay appearing. My lord,
Why age relaxation?
my lord, age relaxation, petitioner has crossed, my lord, 40 years of age, which is, my lord, kindly turn page number, just rule, my lord, once, page 25, sure. Page 25 once, my lord, of my writ application, my lord, age relaxation, your lordship may, my lord, in respect of 9-10, my lord, age limit minimum 20 years, maximum 40 years. 11-12, my lord, similar. May, my lord, but
Are you
not
a
this-
fresh candidate
No, my lord, I am job loser. In
or a
respect,
job loser?
I am, my lord, I have applied in respect of 9-10 and age relaxations given by the authority. But when I try to enter the 11-12 level, my lord, the system is not permitted me. My lord, there is a window for necessary correction. Window is activated, my lord, up to, my lord, window is activated up to, my lord, 11th of August 2025. Subsequently, Honorable Supreme Court said no. Said there is age relaxation should given to the all the ballot in all the both the selection process, which was come in 29th of August 2025. Ballot, this is my case, ballot. And my lord, in this juncture, my lord, as last occasion, commission sought for a time. If there is any, they seek a time that whether that it can
Yes,
be possible or
Commissioner.
not.
We have filed a report, my lord.
You have?
Yes, we have. Yes.
Yes, my lord, report they have filed.
What does it say?
Lord, he has been negligent to fill up the form in the next part. One part he filled up correctly. Now he wants to edit his date of birth in the next 11-12 selection process, which he has not filled up. My lord will kindly see his prayer.
Yes, paragraph 4 and 5, my lord, they have stated, my lord, in their report.
The prayer is for correction of date of birth. There was an ample opportunity given, my lord. He did not correct it.
No, my lord, I have a little submission, my lord, opportunity given up to August 14. My lord, subsequently, they cleared their stand in before the Honorable Supreme Court.
It has nothing to do with that, my lord, because every other person who got the opportunity to corrected it. Perhaps only he did not.
Age relaxation is given by the court's order, Honorable Supreme Court's order, but that I have annexed, my lord. And my lord,
Not about
this
age
point, my lord,
relaxation issue, my lord.
this
The
point,
issue
my
is
lord,
he has filled up the form negligently. Now he
yes,
wants
my
to
lord, this
correct
point,
it.
very good. My lord, this point,
Correct.
I am relying a decision of
Where
Honorable
is
Supreme Court.
your date of birth mentioned?
Yes, date of birth, my lord, I have stated in my writ application, category.
March
Yes. My lord, I am
1984.
categorically stated, my lord, kindly see page number 5, paragraph number 8. There's a page number 5. Lord, last 4-5 line. Even online system is not permitted to making any application for selection process in 11-12 level. Accordingly, the petitioner input his date of birth as 5th of March 1985 instead of 5th of March 1984 in 11-12. But I cannot enter in that, my lord, form. That is why, my lord, I gave an erroneous. It is an admitted fact. I am not disputing.
And this you did it in May or June when the advertisement
Yes, my
came.
lord. Yes.
Why are you
My lord,
coming
I am
forward now?
this point, my lord. This point is, my lord, kindly see this judgment once. Honorable Supreme Court pass. If that, my lord, kindly see, my lord, similar issue is involved, my lord.
What is the issue?
Yes. My lord, kindly see the issue.
Yes.
There is a discrepancy, my lord. Kindly see the, my lord, if your lordship kindly see the paragraph number 4. Kindly see similar issue, my lord. Erroneous date of birth. Erroneous, yes, my lord, erroneous date of birth in a selection process. Similarly, paragraph 4. If, honorable applicant, if there is an, it cannot be curtailed, their right cannot be curtailed by this way. But in 9-10 selection process, I have given a perfect input. There is no dispute. But by the time putting this question to myself, why wrong input has given the 11-12? But I was unable. My lord. That is why I put a wrong input and entered the selection. I have completed.
Because you may have 1, 2, 3, 4 cases. I over here have got hundreds of cases.
Yes.
This date of birth entry, you cannot make it properly. You are the only one that is coming up with this type of allegation. This type of allegation has not come.
Yes.
The caste could not be uploaded.
Yes.
It's different. There are many things.
Yes.
But date of birth,
But when I tried to enter the actual date of birth, but system is not permitted me. I have,
How can it permit for others? System is not different for
my
you.
lord, if Supreme Court's order come later, and that is
So
why, my
what?
lord, Supreme Court,
So you
their
are
stand
relying
is,
upon Supreme Court's order.
my lord,
You are relying upon Supreme Court's
my lord,
order.
my lord,
In
there
one
is the-
place you could upload it and the other place you could not.
my lord,
How can that be?
yes, that is, my lord, kindly,
No.
kindly consider the situation, my lord. Kindly consider the situation.
Now the result interview list has been
Interview,
published.
no, my lord, verification list has published. It is going on, my lord. In cutoff, my lord, my lord, my mark, I have secured low marks than cutoff marks.
Then
If 10
what
marks,
remains?
my lord, I have filed this writ application much before.
Yes.
It has-
So what?
it has-
What are you waiting for? What do you expect
Last
from the
occasion,
court?
even last occasion, first occasion, they sought for a report. They
No,
come
no.
up a report.
Yes,
Report
because
has given. They have only agitated the wrong date of birth. They are only agitating the wrong date of birth.
obviously because that is the wrong date of
I
birth.
have stated in my application, it's writ application itself that I could not. Last occasion, even commission sought for a
Which one is correct? Your 910?
1984,
910 one is correct.
910 correct.
You continue with the 910 selection process. 11, 12,
So, my lord,
if it is gone, it is gone. Continue with one.
my lord,
See
then,
if you can manage.
my lord, kindly then.
Can I one make submission?
Led by Mr. Bandapal.
Well, the problem is this, that he did not disclose his experience in the 11-12 form. 9-10 he has disclosed and he has got the benefits. 11-12 kindly come to page 40. He has not disclosed. Date of birth is not the criteria, but here the problem is this page 40. He did not disclose. And Lordship knows that there are a number of cases are coming before your Lordships also.
So
Who
you
is
have
there?
not disclosed your
Date of
experience.
birth, I could not.
Identical
My lord,
order
kindly
for
record-
Date of birth, they say they ignored
my
the
lord,
date of
then, my
birth.
lord, kindly record my submission and reliance of the judgment, and my lord, pass and reason order. I have no.
Because date of birth is not the issue.
My lord, date of
Their issue is the experience.
experience, well, ipso facto, if date of birth is corrected, well, ipso facto, I got the 10
No,
marks.
no.
Ipso facto, I got the 10 marks. My lord, kindly visual.
Your
there is no-
ipso facto is with
my lord,
you.
it is, my lord,